Euphoria. आपने इतनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली है and the campaign has begun with a bang. 3-city launch. How does it feel?
At Foxstar, we are always looking out for very interesting scripts. But let me tell you that in the life of every studio, very rarely comes a story which is not only an entertaining film, but it is the story that represents the soul of India. And this film represents every one of you and represents India. What can be better?
So one
It
message.
levels you out. You know, if you're not humble, it teaches you how to be humble. क्रिकेट एक ऐसा गेम है जो फ्लिप ऑफ कॉइन से स्टार्ट होता है. You know, टॉस के ही वक्त पैसा ऊपर जाता है. You don't know हेड आएगा टेल आएगा. क्रिकेट देखा गया एक ऐसा गेम है जब आप खराब फॉर्म से गुजर रहे होते हैं तो 90% ऑफ द टाइम जो ऑपोजिशन का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉलर होता है वही आपको बॉलिंग कर रहा होता है और जो सबसे खराब फील्डर होता है वही आपका डाइव मार के एक हाथ से कैच करता है. तो ये ऐसी चीजें हैं जो क्रिकेट में ही होती है. दैट्स व्हाई वी ऑलवेज से इट्स अ ग्रेट लेवलर. और हार्ड वर्क जो आपको करना पड़ता है, you have to deal with your emotions, pressure, जो positive thinking की बातें होती है, and it all relates to you. It all relates to us when it comes to our life. So I feel it teaches you a lot. Again, it is a team sport. So अगर आप दूसरे भी team sport अगर खेलते हैं तो ये सारी चीजें आप सीखोगे. But so I don't think too much about the past or the future. But I've kept saying I take learnings from the past. Of course, you need to have goals for the future, but I know the most important thing is the present. Present में जो मैं करता हूँ उसका इफेक्ट आप बोल सकते हो आने वाले फ्यूचर में पड़ता है. तो द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. सो ऐसी कोई मोटिवेशन की जरूरत नहीं होती. आसपास इतने सारे मोटिवेशन है. यू नो, आप खुद अपने आप की मोटिवेशन हो सकते हो, फैमिली हो सकती है, पेरेंट्स हो सकते हैं, कंट्री हो सकती है. यू नो, ऑल डिफरेंट थिंग्स. बिकॉज हर इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंट होता है. तो मेरे लिए जो मोटिवेशन है हो सकता है वो दूसरे के लिए उतना रेलिवेंस ना रखती हो. एवरी इंडिविजुअल इज डिफरेंट. And I feel for me, you know, country is the biggest or the most motivating factor. I think India का जो मैं टूर मैंने कंप्लीट किया, मैंने परफॉर्म अच्छा किया था. उस समय मुझे पता चला कि मैं इंडिया के लिए खेलने वाला हूँ. चाहे आज खेलूँ, 6 महीने बाद खेलूँ या 3 महीने बाद खेलूँ. तो मैंने कभी ये सोच के नहीं किया खेला था कि मुझे ये अचीव करना है. You know, ये मेरा पर्सनल माइलस्टोन होना चाहिए. स्कूल से ही जब हम क्रिकेट खेलते थे या जब हम पार्क में क्रिकेट खेलते थे, हमारा एक ही मोटिव होता था, हमें मैच जीतना है. यू नो, जितने भी दूसरी अच्छी टीमें होती है उनके अगेंस्ट हमें मैच जीतना है. सो दैट इज द पर्पस. यू नो, माइलस्टोन से अगर आप अपना फ्यूचर डिसाइड करें तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. यू नो, माइकल फेल्प्स के नाम बहुत सारे ओलंपिक गोल्ड है. वो तो फिर 5 के बाद ही उनको रिटायर हो जाना चाहिए था. यू नो, सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट माइलस्टोन. व्हाट इट्स अबाउट इज, you know, how much you can contribute, how good you are, and then you take it forward.
We started walking. I have to put it like that. And after a while, I realized it's too heavy to carry. But there's so many people, I couldn't lift it up. So it was like that till we crossed immigration and we boarded the bus. And right from the airport till the Wankhede Stadium, there were people on both the sides of the road, and they were so happy. A lot of them would have missed their flight, but still, you know, the cars were parked. All of them were outside and they had a smile on their face. You know, that's an amazing feeling because that was the first time you saw like a swarm of people and all of them were happy. It was raining, the mobile phones were out, everybody was clicking pictures and everything. So that was the 2007. I don't think I need to talk about 2011. It's just that, you know, we are a bit late for here, so that whole thing of you know, Mumbai, it actually slipped, and I was more concerned about, you know, being late for sure,
right from the start. You know, the good thing was we were on the same page. You know, because I've seen quite a few of his movies, and I like how he puts things on screen. And I think right from the very start we were clear. We don't want to make a movie which, you know, makes me a hero or glamorizes me. You know, it was more about the journey, so that people can you know, relate to it, because we all go through almost the same thing. You know, okay, everybody doesn't play for India, but at the end of the day, to reach your mark, you have to struggle in life. And you know, it's all circumstantial, small decisions that you have to make that actually has a big impact in life. So it's all about that, you know, the small things. Yes, people know a lot about me. I played football. I was from a particular school. You know, I got a job with the railways, and I moved on, and all of that. But what happens in between that is what really, you know, pushes me